Greed, it's the silent trap of every investor, the voice that whispers, just a little more, the reason profits slip away, and the reason many portfolios crash. Today, let's talk about greed in investing, why people hold too long, why they never take profits, and how you can avoid the trap, because greed destroys more wealth than bad luck. Picture this. You buy a coin at $1. It shoots up to $5. You're up 400%, but instead of taking profit, you think, what if it goes to $10? That thought is greed. It's powerful. It convinces you to hold, and often, it makes you lose everything. Greed is psychological. It comes from fear of missing out. It comes from wanting more than others. And it comes from not having a plan. Most investors don't set targets. They chase endless growth. And markets punish that, because what goes up must eventually come down. Every bubble in history proves this. The dot-com bubble, the housing bubble, the crypto bubble of 2021, all fueled by greed, and all ended the same way, with people holding too long, refusing to take profits, believing the top would never come. But the top always comes. Greed blinds you to that reality. There's a science to this. It's called behavioral finance. Humans hate selling winners, because selling means the game ends. Greed keeps the game alive. It tricks your brain. It says, you deserve more. It says, don't sell yet, and it hides the risk, until it's too late. Many traders forget this truth. You only make money when you sell. Unrealized profits are just numbers. They can vanish overnight. Ask anyone who held Luna, or anyone who held meme coins too long. Rich one day, broke the next. All because greed said, hold. Greed says, you can time the top, but nobody times the top perfectly. Smart investors fight greed with discipline. They set exit targets. They take profits in steps. They don't try to catch every last cent, because they know pigs get slaughtered in the market. That old Wall Street saying is true. Bulls make money. Bears make money. But pigs, they get nothing. Greed doesn't just cost money. It costs peace of mind. You can't sleep. You check charts all night. You ride emotional highs and lows. It becomes gambling, not investing. And that's when mistakes multiply. Fear and greed are a deadly cycle. But greed is the more dangerous one. So how do you break it? Have a plan before you invest. Decide your profit targets early. Stick to them. Use stop-loss orders. Take partial profits. Reinvest wisely. Remember, consistency beats greed. Building wealth is about time, not luck. The market rewards patience, not desperation. At the end of the day, greed is natural, but unchecked, it's destructive. The best investors control it. They master emotions. They know when enough is enough, and that's why they win. Don't let greed steal your gains, because sometimes, the smartest move is to take profit.